Okie dokie. Look at my hands. Yeah, they were dirtier than that. So what I'm doing is working on this fellow, an Elgin lathe. Probably hasn't been used in a long time. So what is the problem with it? Well, the motor runs fine now. I'll show you what the problem is. That's the cover over there. Tight spot in here. So we walk over here, took the patient part, the heart, over here. This is called a Worthington variable drive. Taking it apart. Some light on the topic. Nice old piece of engineering. Wouldn't engage. Why? Just dirt. Oops, who was that? A hammer? Well, anyway. Move it around this way. I took it semi-apart. Those bearings have to move back and forth on the shaft. I didn't really like to do that because it's kind of sticky and stuck. That's basically this dirt is the issue. The belts are kind of worn, but still pretty thick. These ribs don't do anything, but seems still thick, and probably get some more miles on. I don't know where in blazes you get a Elgin lathe Worthington variable drive belts, because you have to make your own. I'm not taking it all apart, but I'm doing adjustments on it. But you got bearings that'll slide up and down on the spline shaft. Well, no, yeah, kind of. No, not really. See, that should slide easy. Where am I here with a stupid iPad? But it doesn't. So what I'm going to do is take some emery on both of these. These slide okay. This part slides fine. Okay. And they're on the spline shaft. But these are a little stiff, so a little bit of emery paper. And I'm done. I put it back together. And it should be like new. Awesome piece of engineering, ancient stuff. The Elgin lathes from the late 30s to the 40s, production machines. Got this from brother Paul Hobbit. Not really much wear on it. And we have the clutch mechanism. It's pretty good shape to me. There's a little piece that fits in this hole here, and it slides back and forth on those two bearings over here. But it didn't want to do that because it's stiff. Probably dried grease or something like that, because it's very tight tolerances here on this. I'm sure it's dried grease. So that problem will be solved. I'll put it back together and have it running soon. Like this bearing is a bit, I feel it kind of, just dried grease. Find the bearings, I don't know where you find them. But, you know, it's just a matter of cleaning them. Let's see where it would be the greatest pressure. There's 2 bearings here. It's dirty. When you get a bit of dirt like that, or it's off a little bit, then you got problems trying to slide the bearings here, which will be cleaned as well. So I'll just get it all smooth. That should be fine. Oh, that's the Worthington variable drive. All a matter of dirty oil and sitting for many years. It'd be like new. Fascinating stuff. Anyway, so get back together probably tomorrow.